biggest plot twist you've seen in real life? It was my grandfather's funeral. He was always a fairly reserved and distant father, as far as I understood. He fit the stereotype of a northern dock worker who comes home expecting dinner to be on the table and then goes to the pub all evening via the bookies. After an unsurprising heart attack, we're all gathered for his funeral. We're a big but close family, so we know everyone, including his friends. However, one guy turns up, about the same age as my dad and his siblings, whom nobody knows. Long story short, it turns out it was my grandfather's son, from another family, from another marriage. That went on for as long as his marriage to my grandmother. My grandfather had maintained 2 marriages over 40 years, having 7 children with my grandmother and just the one with this other woman. They knew about our family and kept away. And apparently my grandmother knew about them, but kept quiet. Turns out he wasn't going to the pub every night.